Open house this Sunday, May 16, 2021. This gorgeous home has 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, including 2,800 square feet of living space. The 3-level home has so much to offer. The basement level of this house is finished with 2 bedrooms and a bonus room with French doors that lead to the large backyard with a pool. On the main level there is a formal and informal living area kitchen. The top level of this house has a bedroom that has been updated with a full bath. In the master bedroom there is a beautiful walk-in shower and 2 large closets, perfect for all of your wife's clothes.